How to take vitamin A? Vitamin A can be taken in several forms. Number 1. Food sources. Consume foods rich in vitamin A such as of liver, fish liver oil, eggs, milk, cheese, yogurt, and fruits and vegetables like carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and kale. Number 2. Supplements. Vitamin A supplements are available in various forms like capsules, tablets, and liquid drops. Follow the recommended dosage on a packaging or as directed by your healthcare professional. Number 3. Fortified foods. Some foods like cereals, margarines, and certain dairy products are fortified with vitamin A. Number 4. Topical application. Vitamin A also available in topical form like creams and ointments for skin health such as retinol cream. Always consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement regime, especially if you have underlying health condition or are pregnant or breastfeeding. So comment below which topic I explain next.